Hello, Mrs. Houston here. Today's learning target is I can use my knowledge of adjacent angles to find the missing value or values. First of all, let's talk about the vocabulary. We have this word adjacent, okay? And what adjacent means is next to. So two angles that are next to each other, and they will share a common side. In this case, it's that blue line. Okay, so we have one angle here and one angle here, okay, that make up this whole big angle. Okay, so when we're looking at these values, I'm going to call, let's say this angle, we don't know the value, but let's say it's A. This other smaller angle is B. And if I want to get the whole angle, which I'm going to call C, I would have to add up those two parts. So I would say A plus B equals C. Okay, so we take these two smaller parts and they should add up to get C. Similarly, we can use the inverse. Let's say we have C and A and we want to find B. Well, if I wanted to find B here in this equation, I would have to subtract A from both sides. All right, so C minus A will give us the measure of B if that's what we were looking for. Okay, so let's try an example. Let's say this angle here is 30 degrees. Whoops. And this part of the angle here is 40 degrees. Okay, what would the whole angle be? Okay, and hopefully you can see the relationship that those two smaller angles added together make up the big angle. So we would do 40 plus 30, and we would say that the whole angle is 70 degrees. Okay, now sometimes we have the problem a little bit different, and they might tell you, okay, this whole big angle is 80 degrees. Okay, and then this angle here is 60 degrees. What is angle X going to be? Okay, so if you know that these two have to add up to 80, but you have the 80 already, if you take away the 60, you can find what is left. So 80 minus 60 would give you 20. So that means that this angle here is 20 degrees.